how to change your sign in option on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your sign in option and choose whatever option you want. And so first thing we do is we go to the Windows Start button here and then go to settings, and after that you need to choose the accounts option right here. Click on it, and now you have the option, this one, choose the sign in options. Now you can choose whatever you want here, the Windows Hello Face or Windows Hello Fingerprint or Windows Hello Pin or even security key or password or picture password. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.